Hey guys, we're gonna try this starburst in Russian can. Alright, you go first. Okay, we're gonna split it. Let's do it. Cheers. It's good. It's a mild orange. It tastes bland, doesn't it? Remember the taste. We'll taste it on the ground and we see the difference. Alright. Does your tongue feel like kind of, like the taste is kind of numbed out? That's how I feel. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna try this. Okay. Good. It's like, at first it tastes good, but then it turns bland. Alright, we're saying that. Yeah, we're gonna try it later. You just like shoved it in there. Where should I put it? Here, put it in your bag. Yeah, I'll put it in my purse. See you guys later. Alright.
Operation landing in Sarasota. We're passing through 24,000 feet.
Here in the bathroom during turbulence. Here in the bathroom during turbulence. I almost fell in so many feet.
Temperature is 60 degrees.
Guys, we just landed.
We did.
Guys, we're in Florida. We're gonna try the food
We're
once.
gonna have to recover because we
Yeah.
still have some ear.
My ears, I can't hear anything. I'm
clogging
congested.
from
Like,
turbulence.
yeah, it was a good airplane ride, but also not very comfy.
Turbulence was bad. Like,
Yeah.
no, it was, the air pressure was terrible.
Yeah, my ears, like, I could not hear a thing. Alright guys, our whole trip has passed and we still didn't taste it. Like, we've been so busy with everything else, we've been having so much fun. So this is kind of a vlog, I guess.
Alright, we gotta try it now.
Yeah, let's try it.
Did you get it? Definitely more flavorful.
I can taste the saltiness better.
I mean, Starburst.
Don't you?
Starburst.
Can you taste the saltiness better?
Yeah.
Last time it was more sweet, and now it's like I can taste saltiness. The sourness, like, it's the same.
More orange flavor though.
My tongue doesn't feel numb, you know?
Everything is a little bit more flavorful.
We missed our plane, no! I researched it, and it said that your taste buds are 30%, they can't taste saltiness and sweetness 30% more or less than normal. So we tried to experiment it, and it is true. So when you go on a plane, I think sour foods would probably work. So try that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. It was
81 degrees in Florida. We're coming back to 46.
Yeah, it's so sad to leave. Go to Sarasota, guys. It's amazing. All right, guys. Comment down below if you notice your taste buds are different on the airplane. Bye.